tried and tried and tried till the R switch place with the I. I never forget that July, the worst that I felt in a while. I'm glad that you think that I'm soft.
Alright guys, so today was an absolutely phenomenal trading day so far. I want to show you guys because I do have a new workspace. I've only been focusing on trading NQ over the last, I want to say 30 days or so. So I built my setup or rearranged my setup around just trading NQ and have all the different tools and charts up. So I'm gonna go over some of my results so far. So the first one is gonna be the more, I guess, important one. We could put it that way, which is gonna be my Top Step account. So on my Top Step account right now, I'm copy trading 4 different Express funded accounts. So all 150K DLL Express accounts. So I do have a $3,000 daily loss limit. And honestly, I prefer having the daily loss limits. I know a lot of you guys don't like it, but in reality, the daily loss limit can save you from a really bad tilt session. And it happens to me at times too, you know? So I know worst case, my downside on any single day is gonna be 3K, but my upside could be 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, whatever the case might be is. So on my Top Step account, first and foremost, I have 4 accounts like I said before, and I'm up right now roughly around $6,000 on the day today so far. And then, let me see. Yeah. So I'm up today roughly around $6,000 today so far across 4 different accounts. And I mean, you can also see here too, $14,000 in the balance per 4 accounts and $6,000 in P&L. So that's, what is that, like $28,000 or so on the day. Let's see, $24,000 on the day just on Top Step. And later when the trading day closes, I'm actually eligible for a payout of I think $28,000 because I have $14,300 spread across 4 different accounts. So that's what the balance is on each account. I'm able to request now half of that payout or a maximum of $10,000. It's either 50% or a max of 10K. So I'm able to request a withdrawal on each account for $7,000. So later today, I'm gonna get a $28,000 payout. And then also on my personal live account, which is the chart that I have all the way down here, currently right now on the week, only trading the Asia session, I'm up $40,000. You guys can also see it's a live account there as well. And today on my live account, I'm up $13,000. I did take a winning trade during the Asia, and then I took a little bit of a losing trade during the New York session. So those are the trades I took on my personal live account. And then I have 2 other accounts on my funded futures. I have 2 rapid accounts. One is an 100K rapid account and one is a 50K rapid account that I can get daily payouts. So on my 100K rapid account, I believe, yeah. So on my 100K rapid account, I have a total profit on the day so far of $9,559, and I'm able to withdraw, I think, $6,000 from this account. And then from my 50K rapid account as well, I'm up another $9,300. So that's 18K in profit between both of those accounts. And I'm able to withdraw in between both of them like a total of around $12,000. So later today, I'm gonna be getting close to $40,000 in payouts, like $42,000 in payouts, but then we have profit splits. So today is a $40,000 day. I'm withdrawing from these prop firms. I might withdraw from my live account. I'm not sure just yet. Kind of thinking about it. I don't really need to anyways because I'm withdrawing from these props. But then last but not least, I have another portfolio up here for a prop firm, which you guys have seen me trade with them before, called Day Traders, where they have the straight to live accounts. I've been trading on this eval. This is the longest I've ever traded on an eval for like 8 days, but it's a really difficult account to pass because the consistency rule is 25%. But when you actually get funded, you actually get real capital and go straight to a live account. So, I mean, it's a really phenomenal trading day so far. I'm gonna get $40,000 in payouts later. So those are the results of today's session. Accumulation really between the Asia session and then the New York session as well, although the majority of my profit was from the Asia session. And I mean, I ended up catching these shorts all the way from up here last night from 30,660. I mean, you guys can see how far the market sold off. Didn't catch the whole thing, of course. I literally caught maybe like 10% of this move, but that is all I needed to make all of this money. So 13K on the personal live account, 18,000 in between 2 accounts on my funded futures on their rapid accounts, And then I'm up today $24,000 on Top Step, which I'm gonna get a $28,000 payout later today. So I mean, super solid. So that's my workflow, that's my setup, and then that's the results for the trades that I did end up taking. Now today, we do gotta go pick up the SVJ. I did have it at the dealership, was getting some stuff done to the car, and then I mean, we'll come back during the Acer session. I gotta request my payouts before I actually do start trading, so then they can update my balances. I can get paid, more importantly. And that's about it for the trading session today. All in all, it was a really great session though. So we'll see if we can keep the momentum starting off the week super strong, but we'll see if we can keep this momentum throughout the rest of the week. And I am just praying right now that Top Step does not move me to live. That's the most important thing here. I do not want Top Step to move me to live. That way I can get my payouts and just continue to keep rinsing cash.
The rack, a pocket full of the yak, the top, the drop, the swerve, the pass, the props, the safe.
I'm not a big fan of these either.
Is this top?
It's cool.
When's the last time you saw one on the street?
On the street,
Yeah.
never. But
Bro, what do you mean? What did you like about it?
because these are what, 2.5 I think. These Hennessy Venoms. This is what this is, right?
Oh, this is the Hennessy.
It's nice, but it's not my thing. Is this your thing?
Sick.
It's not my thing. American cars.
So I'll either call you today at the end of the day or probably like around tomorrow just to coordinate exactly when you can come pick
Cool.
up.
Perfect. Thank you so much, bro.
You're welcome.
Well, how long have you been here for?
2 months.
Oh, that's fine. I'm like, yo, I've never seen you here, bro.
Yeah.
Well, it's nice to meet you, bro.
Have a good one.
You too, bro. Alright, go fuck myself.
Yeah, what the fuck, Stanley?
The fuck? The nerve this guy has.
What did you say?
I said my old Bugatti's in the shop. And you ignored me.
You had a
You left me on red like I'm some fucking hole that you texted at 3 in the morning, bro.
Those are the answer.
Yeah, for me, anyway. Wait.
I probably got what I needed.
Well, yeah. And done. Alright. Actually, that black Revolta is nice. There's like what do you guys have going on here, bro? So they're still working on the SVJ. Unfortunately, they told me it'll probably be ready anytime tomorrow, probably in the morning. So they're gonna call me back, and I mean, if anything, they're just gonna ship me out the car, which is fine. So I got a few meetings I gotta get to, and it's raining either way, so it's not the end of the world. But like I said, it's because we're doing a PPI on the car right now, which is a pre-purchase inspection. So I mean, I'm pretty sure everything's gonna come out all good. I did like the offer that the buyer sent me, so I'm trying to see what I get now. Again, I'm thinking 765 LT. These Revoltos are nice, but bro, they're too expensive. I'm very confident that with these cars specifically, it's gonna be the same thing that happened to the SF90s. If you guys remember, I bought my first SF90 for literally $900,000. Bro, now they're worth $500,000, 450K. Like, let's look at this one, right? And I actually think I know the owner of this previous SF90. Keep in mind, this was a car that was selling for 900K. Bro, I'm not even gonna say, look at the price. Look at the price. $395. So I'm confident the same shit is gonna happen with the Revolto market. It's just gonna take some time, but I'm not gonna invest the money into that. This one's super tough though. This is super tough.
You low-key put the name on the map for this dealership.
Yeah, well, the thing about it is, I forgot how the conversation came about, but I came here to pick up a car.
The GT3.
No, it was a different car. I forgot which car I came here to pick up one day. I don't know if it was you, but one of my friends was talking to one of the sales manager here, and he's like, "Oh look, one of our top clients just walked in the door," and it was me. And I was probably wearing like some socks and some sandals and shit. Yeah. I forgot who it was, but apparently I'm like the top 3rd client who has bought the most cars in value and in quantity as well, which after the Bugatti, I think the number was up in like 22 or 23 million dollars worth of cars just at this one dealership alone, which is pretty cool, you know. But I mean, I guess that's why they're like, yo. But I mean, everyone here is super cool too.
Yeah,
They're all great people, you know. Even when I came to get my very first car here, I forgot how old I was. I was maybe like 20 years old, 19 years old. and I walk into the dealership and I'm wearing just nothing crazy, you know. I'm just looking like a 20-year-old kid. Jeans, shirt, shoes. I forgot what car it came in at the time, bro. I don't fucking remember. But you know how most of the times, like, you go to like a Ferrari dealership and they'll immediately, let's call it, judge a book by its cover. Never happened here. And I mean, these are all really great people, and that's why I've always done business here. And I've never been fucked over once doing business at this specific dealership. Now, you know, other dealerships, it's a different story, but at this dealership, never. They're all great people. So if you guys ever want to buy a car, I mean, you guys got to come to Lamborghini Broward, or even if you guys are anywhere else. I mean, they can get you any car, and I've found some really beautiful specs here, and they give me really good prices as well. So really good business. You guys should definitely check it out when you're ready to get your first supercar, because I know a lot of you guys who watch my channel, especially my trading channel, will get to that point at some time. What? Nah,
Baby,
bro.
si le das eso, that can be later on, esos son como add-on. Entonces después le pueden dar más tiempo, le pueden hacer un penalti.
Yeah, but it's bullshit, bro. We were there. I added more to my Ghana position, bro. I don't care. I'm all
serious,
in.
bro?
I'm all in. I full ported. Anyways, guys, I mean, the game is not, it's not looking good. I mean, the game's about to end in like 15 minutes, but I sold my tie position. I added. If they somehow get a miracle and score in the next 5 minutes, I mean, that'll be amazing, but I doubt it. We're going back to the warehouse now because we have that meeting at 5:30. And unfortunately, what sucks is I was gonna go to request my payout from Top Step, but you guys can see that my consistency rule is 42%, and I need 40% or less. So I have to make another 800 bucks, which is not gonna be a problem. But I mean, like, that's still so annoying, because I was asking the Top Step chatbot how much money I need to make to be able to get that 40% consistency. So we're like, no, you're good. You're good. If not, I would have made the extra $800 during the session so I could request the payout now. But whatever, I'll be able to request the payout tomorrow. What I can do now, though, is request my payouts from my funded futures, which we'll do in a second when I stop driving. So I can request $7,189 here, and then another $6,459 over here, which is super solid. So what is that, $12,000, I think? A little bit more, like 13K, but after profit splits and everything, it's probably gonna be closer to 12K. So we'll request that payout in a second, and then, you know, we'll move on with the rest of the day.
Out in the six, I'm a national treasure. That bad me gon' bad me forever. R.I.P. Kobe, but y'all brokey. That's probably why y'all be shacking together. Capo and leader got habits together like couples vacation. They packing together like rushing to finish.
Yo, I'm gonna crash the fuck out. Alright, I think let's wrap up the day. So, good news, bad news. Good news is I got one of my payouts. Bad news is on Top Step, I was over my consistency rule by 2%, literally. So I'll show you guys here, which, let me open up another tab. Okay, cool. So I'll show you guys here, right? This is my funded futures, my accounts with the daily payouts. So I requested a payout today, June 23rd, 2026, at whatever, 5:40 p.m. for 5,800 bucks. That was my payout amount. I requested, I think it was like $6,500 or something along those lines. I got 5,800 bucks. Now I just requested my other payout, which the funds are under review. They've already been removed from my account, so I just have to wait maybe like 5 minutes or so for it to go through compliance, the risk review, and then I'm gonna get another $6,470 in payouts, which is just about 12K. And this is my Rise account, which you guys can see I did get one out of my 2 payouts. Now why I'm saying it fucking sucks is because if we look at my Top Step account, so this is my Top Step account again. I'm copy trading 4 accounts. So whatever number you see here, multiply this by 4. I had $14,226 in the account, and my consistency rule was at 42%, which, I mean, I guess they just updated the back end, but I had to make essentially another $835 for me to request my payout, which I was trading a little bit during the meeting because I had already my levels preset. And I took these shorts here on the NASDAQ from this 29,780, one contract, just trying to make 830 bucks so then I can request my payout tomorrow. I made $850 times 4 accounts, which is close to $4,000. And that's it. I mean, tomorrow I should be able to request my payout. You guys can see I have $15,140 in the account, which that will bring my consistency to 40% or less, which I think it should be like right at 40, but I need to wait for the trading day to actually realize. Let me refresh it here just to see if it'll update. Yeah, because my best day. So yeah, I have to make in between $832 and $6K today because I was at a 42% consistency rule, which I made $850. So now I should be under the consistency rules. You guys can see my balance used to be $15,121.50. My balance is at $15,140. So now let's do some simple math, right? If I'm copy trading 4 accounts, we do my profit 15,000 divide by 2, 7,500 times 4, $30,000. So it's a $30,000 payout in caveman math for those of you guys that struggle with math that I'm going to be receiving tomorrow. Unfortunately, I was supposed to get it today, but whatever. You know what I mean? Instead of 28,000, I'm going to get 30,000 tomorrow. After the profit split, they're probably going to take $3,000, so I'll get like $27,000 into my pocket. Bro, I mean, that's it. What is that? That's $40,000 in payouts in 48 hours. So that's it. I'm gonna go home now. I'm gonna trade my I just got fucking reminded of the loss, bro. Fucking Ghana lost, bro. They were this close to scoring. I would have made $11,000, bro, and they fucking missed. I'm not gonna lie, bro. They put up a really good fucking game, and their defense was incredible the entire game. People were thinking Ghana was gonna get smoked. I mean, there was a 6% probability for Ghana to win. So imagine the fact that they tied, bro. The whole Poly market chat was going insane. Like, they're like, yo, England is completely throwing. I'm like, damn, bro, these guys are actually cooking. So I mean, we were close, but anyways, I'm gonna go home and trade now. I'm gonna go trade the Asia session, and hopefully we'll get some more payouts. So we'll see, but I'll update you guys on my top sub accounts tomorrow.